example 2.27. Determine the general term of an AP whose 7th term is -1 and 16th term is 70. Here they given 7th term in AP is -1 and 16th term is 17. We are going to find the general term, that is Tn we are going to find. Okay, so let the AP be T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on. Given that 7th term T7 equal to -1 and 16th term T16 equal to 17. So T7 we can use that nth term formula, no, A plus n minus 1 into D. If you use the A plus 7 minus 1 into D equal to -1, you will get A plus 6D equal to -1. Here A plus 16 minus 1 into D equal to 17. A plus 15D equal to 17. So take it as this one as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So we are going to simplify, then only we can find the A value and D value. So subtracting 1 from 2. So we get A plus 15D equal to 17. Write the first equation, A plus 6D equal to -1. We are going to subtract, then only the A will be cancelled, no. So both the A will get cancelled. 15D minus 6D equal to 9D. 17 plus 1 equal to 18. So send this 9 to the right hand side. We will get D equal to 18 divided by 9. 9 ones are, 9 twos are. So we will get D value as 2. They ask that general term, you know. So putting D equal to 2 in equation 1, we have to find A value. So A plus 6D equal to -1. Substitute the D value 2. You will get A plus 6 into 2 equal to -1. A plus 6 2s are 12 equal to -1. Send the 12 to the right hand side, you will get -12. -1 minus 12, you will get -13. A value -13. We find here A value and D value. Next we are going to find the general term of the given AP. So hence the general term Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute A and D value. A is -13, B is 2, you know. So you get -13 plus n minus 1 into 2. Multiply with the 2, you will get -13 plus 2n minus 2. 2n minus 13 minus 2 will get -15. Tn equal to 2n minus 15. Okay. Next move on to example 2.28. If L, M and N terms of an AP are x, y, z. So Lth term is x and mth term is y and nth term is z. That is Tl. Lth term now how you write? Tl equal to x, Tm equal to y and Tn equal to z. So respectively, then we have to show first one x into n minus n plus y into n minus n plus z into n minus n equal to 0. And the second one x minus y into n plus y minus z into l plus z minus x into m equal to 0. So let A be the first term and D be the common difference. So it is given that is nth term. You can write Tl is x, mth term Tm equal to y, nth term Tn equal to z. Okay. So using the general term formula, what is the general term formula? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So using that formula, Tn equal to x, no, nth term. So A plus n minus 1 into D equal to x. Take it as equation number 1. Next, Tm equal to y. Tm equal to y, nth term. So A plus m minus 1 into D equal to y. Take it as second equation. Next, Tn equal to z, no. So Tn equal to z. Take it as A plus n minus 1 into D equal to z. This one as third equation. Okay. So next, take the LHS in the first one. X into m minus n plus y into n minus n plus z into l minus m. So we take LHS part of the first subdivision. Okay. Now x value we find here. What we find x value? A plus l minus 1 into d. That value we are going to substitute instead of x. And y we got a plus l minus 1 into d, no. And z also a plus l minus 1 into d. So now we are going to substitute that x, y, z, that is a plus l minus 1 into d into right m minus 1 as d plus y value what? A plus m minus 1 into d into l minus l right as it is plus z is a plus n minus 1 into d into l you have L minus M, right as it is L minus M. So you have to simplify more patiently, okay? So A into M minus M, right? A into M minus M plus multiply these two. L minus 1 into M minus N into D plus next A into N minus L plus M minus 1 into N minus L into D plus next A into L minus M. Nothing but L minus M into A, both are same, you know. So plus N minus 1 into L minus 1 into D. Is it clear up to this step? Move on to next one. Here observe this step. A into M minus 1, A into N minus L, and then A into L minus L. So in these three terms you can take A as common. So A into, here you have M minus N plus N minus L plus L minus M. So right. So see the remaining parts here, D, D, D. So you can take D as common. Here you have L minus 1 into M minus N plus N minus L into M minus 1 plus N minus 1 into L minus M. Is it clear? So next plus M minus M will get cancelled. Minus N plus M will get cancelled. Minus L plus L will get cancelled. All the terms get cancelled and you get 0. So A into 0 you got in this term. So move on to next term. Plus D into, we are going to multiply L into M, L into N. That is Lm minus Ln. Minus 1 into M, minus 1 into minus N. So you get minus M plus N. Next N into M, N into minus N. You get Nm minus N. Minus L into M, minus L into minus 1. You will get minus Lm plus L. Okay. Next N into minus N. You will get Nl minus Mn. Next minus 1 into L, minus 1 into minus L. That is minus L plus M. Okay. So now observe the terms. Lm plus Lm minus Lm will get cancelled. Minus Ln plus Nl. Nl, Ln both are same only. Okay. Next minus M plus M will get cancelled. Plus N minus N plus Nm minus Mn both are same no. So get cancelled. Next plus L minus L will get cancelled. So all the terms get cancelled here. So you will get 0. So A into 0 will get 0. So D into 0 also will get 0. So the answer is 0. So first one we proved that x into M minus N plus y into N minus L plus z into L minus M equal to 0. First subdivision is over. Next move on to the second subdivision, that is to prove that x minus y into N plus y minus z into L plus z minus x into M equal to 0. We are going to prove this. Before going to that, we have to find these values, that is x minus y, y minus z and z minus x. So x minus y, how will you get x minus y? Already wrote x value, no? A plus L minus 1 into D is x, A plus M minus 1 into D equal to y. So x minus y, now you have to subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. So that only I write subtract equation 2 from equation 1, will get x minus y equal to A plus L minus 1 into D minus A plus M minus 1 into D. So now write A plus, multiply these two. L into D, LD minus 1 into D, you get minus D. So write the minus as it is. A plus M into D minus 1 into D. That is MD minus D. Now A plus LD minus D, multiply with the minus, you will get minus A minus MD minus into minus plus D. Okay, so plus D minus D will get cancelled. Plus A minus A will get cancelled. What is the remaining here? LD minus MD. So LD minus MD. In both I can take D as common. So you get L minus M into D. Is it clear? So next we are going to find Y minus Z. So Y minus Z, now you have to subtract equation number 3 from 2. See here, subtract equation number 3 from 2, you will get y minus z equal to a plus m minus 1 into d minus a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus md minus d. Next, a plus nd minus d. So I must now multiply with this minus. So I get here a plus md minus d minus a minus nd, minus into minus will get plus d. Okay, so plus a minus a will get cancelled, minus d plus d will get cancelled. Write the remaining terms, that is md minus nd. So I wrote here md minus nd. In both I will take d as common. So I get m minus n into d. So next step we are going to find z minus 6. So subtract equation 1 from equation 3, you will get z minus 6, that is a plus n minus 1 into d minus a plus l minus 1 into d. So nd minus d, you have to multiply them. A plus nd minus d, write the minus as it is a plus ld minus d. Okay, now in next step you have to multiply with this minus. So you get a plus nd minus d minus a minus ld minus into minus plus d. Okay, so here also plus a minus a will get cancelled, minus d plus d will get cancelled, remaining nd minus ld. In both the terms you can take d as common. So you get n minus l into d. Okay, so now write the LHS part of the second subdivision, that is x minus y into n plus y minus z into l plus z minus x into m. So we find x minus y value, that is l minus m into d. Here you have n, write the n as it is, plus y minus z value is m minus n into d, write l as it is, plus z minus x value we find n minus l into d, write that value, write the m as it is. Okay, so in these three terms, observe here, you can take d as common, so take it out d, here multiply with the n, that is ln minus mn plus ml minus nl plus nm minus lm. Okay, so now see this nl both will get cancelled, minus mn plus nm, ml minus lm both will get cancelled. So all of the terms will get cancelled, will get the answer as 0. So d into 0 will get 0. So hence we prove that x minus y into n plus y minus z into l plus z minus x into m equal to 0. That's all, my dear children.